Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you're getting low call volume whenever you're on a call. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do if you're having issues is that if you have a new case or screen protector, it could sometimes be blocking that speaker up top. So make sure that it's not blocking the speaker that you have top, because if you do that, you won't be able to hear as much. So try removing it, see if that makes a difference. And now after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure your volume is actually turned on. So usually with the volume up here, right, if you press and hold, you should see an animation here showing the volume is going up. But in a case that it's not showing or you don't see it, you can also pull down the control menu here and then toggle the volume all the way up to make sure it's at the maximum volume. So whenever you're on a call, you get the maximum volume. And whenever you're on a call, so check that out as well. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you also want to do is that if you see dirt or dust build up, especially up top here, you want to go ahead and clean it with a microfiber cloth, because if those speakers up here are actually blocked, you won't be able to hear on your earpiece. Same goes here on the bottom as well, the ear speakers here and then the mic over here. You're going to make sure those are cleaned out as well. So clean those out and you'll see a big difference. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it back off, and this does a quick network refresh. So if you're having any issues with the network connectivity, it will fix it for you. Now the next thing you want to do after that is, if you are on a Bluetooth device, right, you want to go into your Bluetooth option, just turn off Bluetooth for a moment and turn it back on, and make sure you're connected back to the device that you're connected, and you should also see a difference right there. Now after you have done that, it's time to go ahead and force restart your iPhone. In order to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. So I do volume up, volume down, and then as you can see here, we're going to keep on holding that side button until the screen completely shuts down and goes black here. So we'll wait here for a moment, and as you can see here, it's still black, but we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear. And at that time, we let go of that button, and that's just doing a force restart, which is reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting that volume not working correctly on your calls, it will fix that low volume issue that you're having. And this method is safe. You'll not lose any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, or anything like that. And once you're back on, go ahead and enter your passcode, get back into your iPhone. And if you're still having issues with the low call volume mode, go into your setting of your iPhone. This time we're going to go to general, go scroll all the way down, where it's transfer reset iPhone. We'll click on reset, and then we want to do a network reset, which if you do a network reset, what's going to do is it's going to reset things that you were recently connected to, like Wi-Fi, any Bluetooth connected devices. You have to reconnect again, but it helps when it comes to troubleshooting any cellular issues that may be impacting call volume being low. And this method is safe. Again, will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, or anything like that. Now after you have done that, what you want to do is go ahead and also update your phone by going to settings, general, software update, and see if there's an update available. If there is, it'll show up here. You'll click on update, give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to update your phone. And once you update your phone, hopefully it is working for you. Now in a scenario that after you've done all of these troubleshooting and you're still having issues with the low call volume on your iPhone, I recommend is going ahead and contacting your carrier to make sure the area that you are in has enough good coverage that the volume isn't an issue on the network with your carrier. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.